Hey everyone, want to create RAR files using WinRAR? RAR archives let you combine multiple files into one package while applying compression, and WinRAR gives you several options for customizing the archive. In this full guide, I'll show you how to create RAR files with WinRAR in 2026, step by step, so let's get started. First, open File Explorer and navigate to the files or folders you want to include in your RAR archive. You can select one file, multiple files, or entire folders. Hold **Control* to select individual items, or press *Control+ to select everything. Now right-click the selected files and choose Add to Archive from the WinRAR menu. This opens the Archive Settings window, where you can configure the RAR file before creating it. At the top of the window, find **Archive Format** and select RAR**. This tells WinRAR to create a RAR archive instead of a zip file. Next, choose your compression method. WinRAR provides several options from store to best. For everyday use, normal ** is usually a good balance between compression time and archive size. If minimizing the archive size is more important, you can choose best *, although it may take longer. Now enter a name for your RAR archive. Choose something descriptive so you can easily identify the contents later. You can also select a different folder where you want the finished RAR file to be saved. If the archive contains private or sensitive files, you can protect it with a password. Click ** Set Password, enter a strong password, and confirm it. If available, enable the option to encrypt file names as well. For very large archives, you can split the RAR into multiple parts. Use the *split to volumes * option and enter the size you want for each part. This can be useful when transferring large archives or storing them across multiple locations. Once everything is configured, click OK to start creating the archive. WinRAR will compress the selected files and create the RAR file. The time required depends on the amount of data and the compression settings. After the process finishes, open the RAR file in WinRAR and check its contents. Make sure the expected files and folders are present. For important data, it's also a good idea to test the archive by extracting it to another location. For the best experience, use normal compression for everyday tasks. Choose best when reducing archive size is more important than speed. Use strong passwords for sensitive data. And keep backups of important files. Remember that an archive is not a replacement for a proper backup. And that's how to create RAR files with WinRAR in 2026. Whether you're combining files, compressing data, creating password-protected archives, or splitting large archives into smaller parts, WinRAR gives you everything you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.